Child development is a source of wonder and mystery that has been attracting developmental scientists for centuries. Perception, action, and cognition. What kinds of mechanisms allow infants to develop communication with their parents? How have developmental scientists approached that mystery? Basically, observation has been a central approach in developmental science. But outside observation alone is very limited with regard to understanding complex interactions. How about imaging technologies? It seems to be a promising approach, but to actually see the development of the brain, we need better technology to observe it for longer periods and analyze vast amounts of data. Okay, how about building a robot that simulates child development? That would open up whole new possibilities for understanding the process.
This pneumatic robot, called CB Square, has 51 pliant degrees of freedom, making it capable of flexible, lifelike movements and realistic vocal generation. To make it suitable for physical interactions with humans, it has a full-body soft skin and an array of multimodal sensors for visual, auditory and tactile feedback.
CB Square is capable of childlike full-body motion. Tactile sensors are embedded in its silicon skin and mimic the way infants receive tactile sensations during motion. In other words, CB Square can simulate the very same developmental process that a child goes through when generating a self-body image.
Parents assist the motion of their children. Can humans do the same for CB Square? In fact, intimate interaction can be performed by only controlling the timing of ballistic motion thanks to its flexible joints. It provides us with quantitative data to analyze what makes the interaction successful. These figures show that it's even possible to measure the degree of synchronization using correlation between CB Square's motion and the human caregiver.
If both motions are carefully synchronized, as shown by the white curve, the interaction is successful. On the other hand, if the motions are out of sync, the interaction fails. As physical interaction is the simplest form of communication available to human children, it can be used as a good model of the development of higher communication skills. CB Square receives sensory information from stereo cameras and microphones, as well as motion capture systems, and therefore is able to perform multimodal interaction with humans. This allows us to study what kinds of behaviors are effective for getting the attention of humans and how the resulting behavior from the caregiver can encourage the development of communication skills. The mystery of human intelligence and its development has attracted and will continue to attract generations of researchers. The Erato project challenges this mystery using CB Square as a novel platform to reveal new insights.
Me Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro is Japan's foremost android scientist, and Gemonoid HI-1 is Japan's foremost android. Inspired by Japan's unique spiritual beliefs, they are blurring the boundaries between humans and robots.
It's a question of where the soul is. Japanese people have always been told the soul can exist in everything and anything. So we don't have any problem with the idea that a robot too has a soul. We don't make much distinction between humans and robots.
Creating a perfect copy of himself has proved useful to Professor Ishiguro in unexpected ways.
This robot is good enough to recreate the sense of human presence. For instance, it can give lectures to students or attend a meeting on my behalf. At the moment, we are at the Research Institute in Kyoto, but usually I work at Osaka University. Or I can even send it to America or Britain to attend a conference. The important thing is, my presence is there.
Robotics.
皆さん、はじめまして。コドモロイドと申します。明日からアンドロイドアナウンサーとして日本科学未来館から皆様にニュースをお届けします。そういえば石黒先生はどうして私を作ったのですか？
それではこれから事例を交付したいと思います。事例オトナロイド日本科学未来館館コミュニケーターを命ずる平成26年6月24日独立行政法人日本科学技術振興機構日本科学未来館館長毛利守。はい、48人目よろしくお願いします。
携帯は音声を届けるものだけど、その先にをにょって言ってましたよね。次世代携帯はその存在感を伝える携帯ができるんじゃないかって言われてるので、ひょっとしたらこんな形をしているのかも。
こういう感じですよ。もしもし。
でかい。
あ、でかいですよこれは。手のひらサイズでね。
やったー、ありがとうございます。どうも。
ハグ。
あ、行きます。早く。